So this is a scone light. The light is on the top and on the bottom, and then you attach it right here, right? For outdoor application or indoor application if you really want to, but rather outdoor. Um, it's um, it's 5 inches wide and about 10 inches tall and about 3 inches deep plus the base here. As far as wiring, it's pretty simple. It's got two black wires, two white wires for neutral. You fuse them together and then you connect that to your actual source. Now I already plugged one in because this is a pack. Here's what it looks like. So it casts like a rectangular shape upwards, and then there's one coming downwards as well. Now I just kind of stuck the cables into a regular plug just to get it going. Now the color temperature looks like 27 to 3000 Kelvin. It is waterproof, water resistant. Um, it's got a nice highlight right here coming from here in the bottom. So it's pretty stylish and pretty modern. You're not really going to see the brightness off top and the bottom because it's going to be so flush against the surface. So, I mean, all in all, I think it is quite nice and a great addition to a house or a backyard, like a pergola, for example, on the post. So, thanks for watching.